Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by making the network and device prerequisites explicit. Confirm Apple TV and Chromecast are on the same Wi-Fi band and update both devices. Once done, open Google Home on your phone and sign in. This allows device discovery and casting control. You do this to let Chromecast accept streams and to avoid connection negotiation failures. Now power on both devices, connect Apple TV to HDMI, and keep the phone nearby. You'll use it to bridge settings and begin casting. You should add Chromecast in Google Home and give it a clear name so you can select it quickly. Next, on Apple TV, enable AirPlay under Settings. This allows incoming streams. Because Apple TV can't natively cast to Chromecast, install and configure a compatible receiver app on the Chromecast, or use a phone/tablet app that mirrors Apple TV content. This app acts as a bridge and translates AirPlay into Chromecast streams. Make sure both devices show up in the same network group before proceeding to you're ready to cast. Launch the mirroring or casting app, select the Chromecast device, and start the stream. You'll see Apple TV content relayed through Chromecast because the Bridge app translates protocols in real time. If playback stutters or fails, first switch both devices to the same band, reduce Wi-Fi congestion, or reboot devices. That fixes most timing and handshake issues. One key troubleshooting tip: enable multicast/UPnP on your router and confirm no guest isolation is blocking device discovery, then retry casting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.